Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to lockpick a door like this, the one that you push and twist to lock. It's hard to do with one hand. Push and twist. It's locked now. How to unlock it with a screwdriver. So let me just close the door and I'll show you how to do it. See, it's locked. What you want to do is you want to take it, but you want to take your screwdriver, one that fits in. Don't put it on an angle because you're not going to hit it. Take it, push it in straight, and twist. There you go. And also it locks itself up again. So once again, all you have to do is push it in and twist. That's all you have to do. And that's how to lockpick a bathroom door with only a screwdriver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.